Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about how we can name alkenes. So, in this particular example here, we have a double bond placed between carbon 1 and 2. I wanted the double bond to receive the lowest numbers possible. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Because we have 4 carbons, I know that it starts with but, because but stands for 4 carbons. And then I need to say where is my double bond being placed. So if I was naming an alkane, it would be butane, right? So but stands for 4 carbons, N meaning only single bonds, and E stands for the functional group. In this particular case here, we have the same thing. We have 4 carbons, so but. Now we do not have only single bonds, we have 1 double bond. So instead of the A, I'm gonna use the E and then the functional group. So butene. Or I could say 1-butene. It's totally fine. Now we go to a question where, well, I have an alcohol, I have a double bond, and I have some carbons that has only single bonds. So we need to follow an order of functional groups preference. So alcohols at this point has the highest priority. And then we have alkenes, alkynes, and halogens or alkanes don't have any priority. Okay, so alcohols, priority number 1 at this point, and then alkenes, and then alkynes, and halogens or alkanes do not have any priority. So in this particular example here, I have alcohol and I also have alkene. Therefore, I need to start naming it using this guy as my priority number 1. This would be my priority number 2. So I start number from here because it's the number closest to my OH, to my alcohol. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So in carbon number 5, I have a methyl group. And in carbon number 4, I have hex because it is 6 carbons. In 1-O because O stands for alcohols. So in position number 1, I have an alcohol. In position number 4, I have a double bond. And in position number 5, I have a methyl group. Or I could rewrite this as 5 methyl hex 4 in 1-O. Right? Is there another way we can write this? Yes. We can say 5 methyl 4 hexanol. Just to emphasize, because alcohol is in position number 1, we don't need to write the number 1 here, so it can be just a combination. So there's 3 ways to write it: 5 methyl 4 hexene 1-O, or 5 methyl hex 4 in 1-O, or 5 methyl 4 hexanol. It's the 3 different ways we can write it, and all 3 are acceptable for this particular molecule.